Hi friends, welcome to India Gate. Here is an opportunity to understand what is India Gate, why it is so famous around the world. Let me clear first of all, India Gate is a war memorial. Though it's a war memorial, it has certain architecture importance. What are those architecture importance in that time, British time? Actually, those soldiers, those 80,000 soldiers, more than 80,000 soldiers who sacrificed their life for the First World War, in the Indo-Afghan War, Afghan War 1919, also in Mesopotamia region, even also France and East African countries. Those soldiers' names are inscribed, written in the golden letters of this India Gate. And India Gate bears a testimony of that soldier, those martyrs who laid down their life for this motherland, for this India, for this country as a whole. But the question comes, why this India Gate is still a importance, still a national importance, it has a world importance. Because India Gate is not only a war memorial, is not only a nameplate only, it has certain architecture style. It has resemblance with European architecture. It has resemblance with British architecture. First time in 1921, during the time of Governor General James Ford, Lord Edwin, you may say Lord Edwin, or simply you can say Edwin Lutyens, designed the India Gate, and it took 10 years to complete this India Gate. However, one thing comes to our mind. People around me ask me very often, why those soldiers in Afghan War, in First World War, those names are inscribed here. And also 1971, you may say Bangladesh Liberation War, those soldiers are written here. Why not Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Why not those innocent people who sacrificed their life for this motherland in Punjab are not mentioned here? It is a question, it is a concern of matter, it is a matter of concern, you can say. Okay, all right. What is Amar Jawan Jyoti? You will find two important things in this India Gate. That is number one, that is Amar Jawan Jyoti. That is, you can say, the flame of those martyrs' lamp, right? Why that was so much importance to install here in this in this India Gate? Amar Jawan Jyoti in the 1971 during the Prime Minister of Indira Gandhi installed here, and it is the you may say it is continuously 24 hours showing the braveness of soldiers. Anyway, second thing is canopy. If you see very clearly India Gate, behind this India Gate you will find canopy. What is that canopy? Actually, the canopy was meant for the Governor General at that time said that you may say 5th George of that time, King George B or 5th George B, he was, or that statue was installed. But in the year 1981, Government of India decided to install the Father of Nation statue or Mahatma Gandhi statue. But it is still pending in files. So I hope, and people of India is hoping for the best, that Father of Nation, the statue of Father of Nation M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi should be installed here. Another thing is that this India Gate is not related to war only. It is a symbol of civilization. It is a symbol of those brave martyrs. It is the symbol of those Sukhdev, Jayaguru and Bhagat Singh. Let me clear. Sukhdev, Bhagat Singh and Jayaguru was educated, was hanged in 1931, 23rd March. But those names are not mentioned here. Why? Because in 1921 the construction started, and in 1931, after 10 years, India Gate was completed. But those names are not mentioned. So I hope and I appeal the people of India and the Government of India and the world community, come forward and inscribe those names, Bhagat Singh, those real martyrs of India, in the walls of this India Gate. Thank you very much. Let's see this India Gate very clearly. This is the canopy where King George B was installed. Now it is a case where pending in the Government of India files that Father of Nation, the statue of Father of Nation should be installed here. Behind these people you will see the flame, which is not clear, but if you come to Delhi you will definitely see the flame. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.